Namaste. My name is Malati, Mrs. Malati Raghava. I'm coming from Singapore. I'm officially 68 years old, and this is my second visit to Sharan retreat at Swaswara. Earlier, when we came, it was for Raghava, his health issues and his diabetes and all that. This time around, it's for me. He brought me here because I developed sugar issues post my COVID vaccination. So I've been finding it difficult to bring it back to normal. So we thought, why not, learn from the scratch, start from ABCD and learn properly, and then go back and follow it. I've relearned all of them this time round with much more strong will. And I want to follow it through this time, and I've already started seeing the result. I've made my progress, and I have a long way to go. But then I know exactly what I need to do, how I need to do it. I'm going equipped from here. If you want my honest opinion, from 2013, Dr. Nandita is even more. She has broadened the, teaching, and at some point I felt almost like spoon feeding every detail, preparing us for the journey when we go away from here, as how we need to cook, how we need to make our choices, much more in detail. It's just not the knowledge, it's also the know-how that is given to you to get fully prepared and in a confident way. Yes, I can do it, and I can sustain and reach my goal. Just stay on the path of vegan, especially whole plant-based diet. The results will come, because it took us years to come this far with our chronicity. We need to give at least quarter of that time to regress and reverse and re-establish and reset our health. Food, I feel we are getting pampered. There's so much of variety and international cuisines, all cooked in with whole plant-based diet with no oil. It's amazing. It's amazing, and I feel we are getting pampered. Especially I am enjoying it because someone is cooking for me wonderful meal, and I think I'm overdoing it also, but I'm enjoying it. It's very nice. It's not just the cooking. It's multifaceted grooming they give you. They expose you to interacting one-to-one and interacting with each other. There is art therapy, which I'm thoroughly enjoying, and there is pottery. You can make your pottery. There are so many activities, swimming. So you choose. You can do anything you like and spend your free time in a very nice way. So for me, this 20 days were like time with me. I'm catching up big time, doing everything, right from swimming to art, everything I did. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I highly recommend it.